Just in Poundland at Preston, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Well, they've got some really full pegs in this Poundland and a new price of £2 per casting. That's not great at all, but they do have the any two for £3 offer on at the moment, which makes them £1.50 each. So yeah, we will be trying to buy multiples of two here. Anyway, let's get started, guys. First up, we've got this Feline Lucky, which is a brand new casting for 2025 from that Celebration Racers set. And I think it's supposed to be like a lucky Japanese symbol, these cat statues. It does have a stamp on the card here, which says 9/29. That could mean a date, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you know more about these. Well, I'm hoping this represents some luck on this hunt, so yeah, I'll definitely be taking that one. Next up, we've got the 1973 Honda Civic Custom, which can be found as a super treasure hunt. This one isn't. It would have Spectra Flame paint, rubber tyres, a TH logo on the body, and a golden stamp on the back of the card there. But no, this is just your standard mainline casting. Still a really cool casting. It has a lot of detail. On the front, it says Honda right there, and on the side as well. It's from that Then and Now set of 2025. I do love my JDM castings, so I have grabbed a couple of these already. I am looking out for that Super though. I think it's probably one of the best of the year. Maybe that green Porsche 911's better, I don't know, but yeah, I'd be very happy with either. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this one here. Let's keep going. Very cool green cone shaker. One feature they have is that you can stack them on top of each other, and I've seen some people stacking them really, really tall. But another feature that they've got that not a lot of people know is they'll glow under black light. It looks really cool when you do that. I do like these a lot. I think this is an awesome fantasy, so I'm gonna pop this to one side. Let's keep going. Oh, nice. It's the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. An absolute beast that loads of collectors are looking for in that European touring car livery. This is from that Wild wide body set, a great set for 2025. We've not had that set before, I don't think. And a really cool feature that I only found out the last time I saw this thing was this on the back here. It's actually got two fuel intakes, and that was to increase the speed of a pit stop so two people could fill it up and get them out quicker. Very awesome. I thought maybe it was like some speakers in the boot or something. Really awesome casting. The last time I got this, it was all broken at the bottom. It wasn't put together right, so yeah, I'll definitely be taking this one. Let's keep going. Well, here's that 1967 Austin Mini in its second variant. You gotta love this car with British flags all over the place. It's part of the Art Cars set, which is actually a really good set this year. We don't normally get so many licensed castings. I've got the original orange one, so I'll leave this here, but I do like the blue on this. Let's keep looking. The Formula E Gen 3 from that Track Aces set. A good set for Formula One enthusiasts this year. You can actually get loads of different liveries of Formula One and the Formula E as well. I think this one's not really being that desirable because of all those F1 cars. Very cool orange McLaren livery on this and neon on the front there as well. I've not seen this, so I think I'm gonna grab it. Let's keep looking. Oh. We've got the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet, which is an absolutely fantastic casting, one that a load of people are after this year. Another one from that Then and Now set. I absolutely love that plum colour paint on this and the bubblegum pink interior. It's got great detailing on the front and the back side, and it's got some great wheels as well. What a good find. A load of collectors are after this one, me included, so yeah, I'll definitely be taking this. Let's keep going. the Mercedes 500E. This is a great casting from the 70s versus 90s set. That set was actually voted on by the Hot Wheels community on the forums, so it is a good set of 70s and 90s cars. This Mercedes is so clean and has so much detailing on every side. It looks great. The tooling's great, the paintwork's great, the decals are great. I don't think Mattel's gone wrong with Mercedes recently. Just keep bringing out absolute beauties. Now, I think I might have the full 70s versus 90s set now, and I do definitely have this one, so I'll leave this here. See what else they've got. Oh, they've got the Mazda 787B, and that's from that Peak Pursuit set of 2025. I did grab the orange and green one of these from last year. I thought that was so good. And this looks great as well in that white and baby blue. One thing I don't like on mainline are these particular wheels. This style's just not me, guys. I like something a little bit more with spokes and stuff, so those back wheels are good. Yeah, very clean design on this one. I do like it, but I've already got the other one, so I'll leave that here. Oh, no way. It's a second Jag. I might actually, yeah, I'm gonna take this one as well because I wanna let one loose and actually have it out the packet. And the other one's completely unspooled, so it's kind of broken. I don't know if you'd call it a factory error, the one that I got before, but yeah, this one will do great outside the packet. So I'll take that as well. Let's keep going, guys. Last two pegs. Right, we're on the final peg now, guys. We start off with the Pagani Utopia, Rapid Pulse, Silverado EV RST, Honda VFR 750R. We've got the 99 Ford SVT Lightning. Oh, very nice Mazda RX-7 from 1995. This one's the second variant. It's a brilliant casting, and it does have that drifting bumper on the front there, just like the Subaru BRZ this year. Very cool. Do have the first variant though, so I'll leave that here. We've got an Amaru GTC, another Rapid Pulse, and last but not least, we've got a Lane Lowrider from that Celebration Racers set. And this one is celebrating the Day of the Dead. That's why it's in those decals and colours. And it's got 2025 written on the top here in a little banner. Very, very cool. Right, well, we've been through all the pegs. Let's have a look and see what we got, guys. Well, we found some great castings here in this Poundland, and I've made sure that I'm taking 6 because we got to remember that 2 for £3 deal, don't we, guys? Is there any that I've left on the pegs that you guys would have taken? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.